to be loud, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. What in the world? Okay, I don't know if I believe this. Alright. Huh. Wait, we shouldn't go this. Oh my. Oh, there's so many lights. Maybe the entrance of the people. Okay, let me get. And you're ready to the pillow. Sure we are. Sure we are. Sure we are. We're working to the pillow. Sure we are. Sure we are. Sure we are. Look at these lights are actually from the car. Okay, we're almost here. So I want to buy sauces and nuggets. What? Boring. Oh, it's mysterious. Oh, no light? Oh, the lights in the car now. You see? It's actually the music that I've been looking for. Yeah. Okay, let me zoom out. This is not to make it better. Zoom it out, zoom it out, zoom it out. Ow. What? I see that you're freaking going in your mind. Woohoo! Okay, we're almost here yet. No. Some of this is emotions and oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I never can see it yet. The light.